Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A property has been purchased in Paris, Ontario to establish Jامع Masjid Sayyidina Bilal. The purchase price of this property is $700,000. If only 300 families give $2,000, then inshallah the purchase price almost can be paid off. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this will be the first masjid in the entire city of Paris. So may Allah bless you, may Allah reward you. You can give this donation on behalf of your family, marumeen of your family, and they will be rewarded in their graves. Or you can give donation and it will be sadaqah jariyah as well. All your donations are tax deductible. You can also give qarzi hasana. And if you give qarzi hasana, we will sign the agreement with you and will return your money based upon the agreed upon date in the contract. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the masjid. This is the pioneer in the city of Paris in Ontario. And inshallah you will be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This masjid needs your help, financial support. Only 300 families, $2,000 each family give. And inshallah this masjid purchase price can be paid off. Inshallah. So please help. The information is available on the screen, and you can send the donations through e-transfer or you can directly deposit in the bank. The masjid is located at 26 Spruce Street in Paris, Ontario. Jazakumullahu khairan wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.